I am K. Omeswara, Department of Physics. Today my topic is first sem physics, unit 3, relativistic mechanism, subtopic of explain the length contraction. So consider the two coordinate systems S and S dash. So this is the frame S and S dash moving with velocity V relative to S and S dash. So moving with velocity V relate to S and S dash. So frame S and S dash relative means both are motion and any one are motion means relative. So next, let rod be placed in S dash along x-axis. So this is the rod placed at S dash along in x-axis. Let rod be placed x1 dash and x2 dash be the ends of rod. So this is the rod first end point in x1 dash distance and say rod second end point in x2 dash distance. Next one, let rod be placed in S, frame S. Along x direction, be placed x1 and x2. So, rod first end point fixed in frame S distance x1 and the second end point of rod fixed at distance x2 distance along velocity v. So then length L equal x2 minus x1. So S dash frame length L dash equal to x2 dash minus x1 dash. Next one, next, according to Lorentz transformation equation x dash equal x minus vt by root over 1 minus v square by c square. So this is the equation of according to Lorentz transformation equation. So first one x dash. So this is the x dash equation. So x1 means x1. Next x dash equal x minus vt by root over 1 minus v square by c square. So this is the x2 dash. So that means x2 minus vt. So x1 means x1, x2 means x2. So L dash equal x2 dash minus x1 dash. So x2 dash. So L equal to x2 means x2 minus vt by root over 1 minus v square by c square minus x1 dash means x1 minus vt by root over 1 minus v square by c square. So next one, LCM of this equation root over 1 minus v square by c square. So x2 minus vt minus x1 minus into minus plus Vt. So plus Vt minus Vt cancel. Remaining equation L dash equal x2 minus x1 by root over 1 minus v square by c square. So rod placed at in S frame. So that means L equal x2 minus x1. This value is substituted in above equation. That means L is equal x2 minus x1 value means L by root over 1 minus v square by c square. So this is the equation of length contraction. So important points case 1 if velocity v is small, so v square by c square equal to 0, then from 1, so v square by c square means 0, 1 minus 0 means 1, root 1 means 1, L1 dash equal to L, that means L equal Ls. Case 2 if v square by c square root over 1 minus v square by c square value less than 1. That means this value is negatively value. For suppose root over 1 minus v square by c square value negatively value, that means minus 1. So from 1 substituted this value, root over 1 minus v square by c square value means minus 1, that means less than 1. So this value is decreased. Minus 1, L by minus 1 means minus L. So L less than Ls. So minus L means a decreased value than the Ls value. So than the Ls value. This is the second case. And the last case number 3, if velocity v equal light velocity c, so v equal to c, then from 1 L equal L dash root over 1 minus v square by c square. So this value is right side in division, left side in multiply. So this is the, so v equal to c. So v equal to c, that means c square by c square 1. 1 minus 1 0, root 0 means 0, L dash into 0 means 0, L equal to 0. This is the 3 important points of length contraction. Thank you, friends.